All right, number 3, it asks, are you given enough information to determine whether this quadrilateral is a parallelogram? Explain. I want to make your life easier. These are all the ones that you need to know to see if it is valid or not. These are the 5 ways to prove if a quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So just have this on your sheet and reference it. Okay, so let's look at A. Okay, let's see if A makes sense. Right, so we have that the 2 opposite sides are congruent. So yes, that does work. That is this one that we were just doing right here. It was this one. That is the both pairs of opposite sides are congruent. So that works for A. Okay. All right. So now let's do B. That looks like that is one diagonal and one of the other diagonals. So can we do that? Nope. Diagonal and the inside. Nope. So this one is a no. We can't get anything. Okay. And then let's say C here. Oh, if this is 120, 120. That is 60, so this has to be 60. And then opposite sides are congruent. So yes, we can say yes for this one. For C, that does work. And let's look at D. Yes, we have the 1 pairs of opposite sides is both parallels are congruent. So that is D. And for E, those are just vertical angles. So we can just write no for E. Right, so there you go. Those are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways to prove if a quadrilateral is a parallelogram. There you go.